welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another video. So this video is going to be really very special for me because this is going to be my very first video in English. Yes, I used to post my vlogs in Bengali, which is my mother tongue and definitely very close to my heart. But then I realized that I should be able to reach out to a little more larger audience so that a little more people get to enjoy my videos. So yeah, that's how I decided to switch from Bengali to English. And as I said, here goes my very first video in English. Please let me know in the comments what you think about it. So today's video is all about a travel video. So we are going to make a road trip to Hyderabad. A series of travel vlogs is going to be up on my channel very soon. So please stay tuned. So as of today's plan, it is 8 a.m. in the morning now. And we are going to start for Hyderabad in a while. We are definitely going by road. So my husband is gonna drive and then we are going to have a really long road trip after a real long time. So here I am with some quick snacks that I'm preparing so that we can munch on. I would always prefer to carry some sort of quick snacks prepared by my own, which we can enjoy during our travel. So here's a quick recipe for you, and for today's quick munching, I'm going to make chicken sandwich. So here are my breads and here is the chicken filling. So these chicken chunks, I just sorted it with some onions, bell peppers, a dash of salt and some black pepper powder. I'm going to complete the filling now, get my sandwiches ready, pack them up, and then we'll be all set for our trip. So keep watching. So here is my chicken that I had sorted with some onions, bell peppers, a little bit of salt and some black pepper powder. So to this chicken filling, next I'm going to add some mayonnaise, chili flakes, some pink salt and some more black pepper powder. And lastly, some mixed herbs. And we are all set. I'll just quickly get ready and then just get started. So here is how my home looks. We'll be out for the next 3 weeks, that is 21 days. That's why to protect my furnitures, I have tried to cover them up with old clothes so that when I come back I can just remove those clothes and get them washed, and all my furnitures will be all neat and tidy, safe. So it's sharp 9 by my watch and we are all set for our road trip. So we are super excited. Hope you like this video too. Please stay tuned. It's 9:30 by my watch and we just got started. We are still in the parking space of our apartment. So today we are going to our friend's place in Hyderabad, and Google Map shows us the distance 596 kilometers and it tells it will take us 10 hours 27 minutes. The fuel meter was showing we were running on a low fuel. We've come to a petrol pump. We'll just do a quick refill. morning and finally we have hit the highway. Our apartment is near Sarjapura in Bangalore. So from Sarjapura we have crossed Hoskote and now we have landed on National Highway 75. From National Highway 75, we are now on National Highway 648 and this straight heads to the airport. The speed limit on this highway is 100 km per hour. We just crossed our first toll plaza for the day and the toll charges here was 70 rupees and we had to pay a penalty of another 70 rupees as our FASTag was disabled.
Yes, so basically we tried to do the recharge today morning, but what happened is we found out that RBI has banned Paytm for any payment related, banking related stuffs. So from 31st January onwards. From 15th March onwards, no toll plaza is accepting Paytm payment. Banks issued this one FASTag. So we had no choice because today morning only we found out this. And if we have applied for any bank-related FASTags, right, like HDFC Bank or ICICI, in that case, it would at least take 4 to 5 days to get the FASTag card at our home. So we paid the penalty. But at any toll plaza you can get instant Airtel Payments Bank's FASTag, Airtel Payments Bank FASTag. So we have done that. So total service charges, along with service charge, it took 500 rupees. 100 is a service charge and 200 is the default balance and 200 is something like document verification or something, that charge. So with all of this, like, we have to pay another 1,500 to the agent who done the job for us. But it is written that it will be activated within 48 hours. But the agent ensured that it will be activated instantly. So we can find out in the next toll plaza that what is happening actually. So as we find out, we will share the information.
Yeah, so hopefully our FASTag works for the next toll plaza and we will definitely share our experience.
Yeah. Meanwhile, the road condition is too good. Last year also we drove to Hyderabad and the road was splendid. I mean, there is no issue, very smooth. The total road till Hyderabad, and it's really nice to drive over here. The landscape is beautiful. Even the landscape will change between full greeneries to full barren lands. So it's really beautiful. We'll be enjoying it for surely because this is our long drive after a very long time. So let's hit the road and enjoy ourselves.
And hope you enjoy our vlogs too.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right.
And we are on National Highway 44 now, and this highway will straight head to Hyderabad.
Stars, shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart.
and our newly installed FASTag worked absolutely fine. As my husband was mentioning, that the agent ensured that it will be instantly activated, and really it did.
That halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard.
It is 12:45 now, and we have been driving for more than 3 hours now, and the experience is really great. So how do you feel? Are you enjoying?
It feels like it's a long stretch of country road and we are just sailing through it.
Yes, and must admit our Indian roadways are really awesome, right?
Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling.
What not to enjoy here? It's a beautiful stretch of road divided by a nice garden of bougainvilleas, right? And they are so vibrant and it's really eye-catching. Like there are so many colors, I even cannot name them. And wherever you see, it's a blue sky spotted with some tiny dots of white clouds, very little clouds, and mostly clear sky only. Maybe outside it will be very hot, but inside we have turned on AC, so it's really pleasant. And in the horizon, wherever you can see in the video also, you will be seeing that it's all covered by barren hills. Like wherever we can see, it's all barren hills. And this will continue, this landscape will continue till very far, almost till Hyderabad. And also it's not like all are grey and pale. Beside the highways there are greeneries, there are so many trees, it's beautiful, different colors of bougainvilleas, colorful bougainvilleas, and then different shades of greens, and it's really soothes the eye. It's a good detox from whatever we do day to day. And we currently are near the Kia manufacturer. I think this Kia manufacturer near Bangalore, Bangalore to Hyderabad highway, whatever it comes. It's actually the biggest manufacturer in India. So they do advertise. There are milestones given like 40 kilometer, 30 kilometer away. So maybe we will try to capture the actual factory. Last time also I have seen the unit is too big. They have hired a very big land and doing the manufacturers of Kia models. Currently there are multiple SUVs in the market. We are really enjoying the drive as and when we'll hit some milestone like 1 hour covered, 100 kilometers covered. We'll try to capture in this video. Lavita will ensure to do so.
Yes, right.
And you also enjoy with us the nice road, the drive. We'll share the experience. Based on that, you will also gain some insight that if you want to drive from Bangalore to Hyderabad over a nice weekend, how it will be, how the landscape is, how the terrain is, and how you need to be prepared. There are multiple dhabas as well beside the roadways. So let's see whether we need to stop because we have sandwiches. I think you have already seen the video. Lavita has beautifully prepared the sandwiches.
Yes. So we plan to have our homemade sandwiches for lunch, but of course, yes, if we still feel hungry, we will definitely stop by somewhere and share that experience with you as well. So please stay tuned.
Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away.
We just crossed the Kia manufacturer that Orko was talking about.
Yeah, so you have seen how big it was, right? It's all manufacturing production unit. So just a word of precaution about this road. Beside this road there are multiple localities situated. So in some interval, very frequently bumps will be coming in, and the highway is so tempting, like it is so smooth and most of the time it remains empty only. So you will be tempted to drive very fast, but don't like maintain your speed where you can control your vehicle, because what happens is maybe your vehicle's shocks and starts are very good, you will be able to go straight through the bumps. But if sometime what happens, there are slow moving vehicle or maybe there are fast vehicles who will hit the hard brake and you will be stuck behind them, so it is very dangerous. So word of advice, though it is so tempting, don't race.
Better to be in the speed limits.
Yeah, better to be in the speed limit. You will reach Hyderabad anyway. Don't try to reach 2 or 3 minutes early.
Yeah, right. So the highway is so beautiful. That's a general temptation we tend to have, and that's our experience. And that was a piece of advice from his side, and that was really great.
Yeah, and in my last 6 to 7 years of driving experience, I have seen however speed you will go, whatever Google Map will show you, you will reach almost half an hour. Depends on how much stretch you are driving, but it doesn't improve that much time. So 30 minutes of time you can spare to save your life.
Yeah, life is even more expensive than time is. So better to be on the speed limits and just enjoy the ride. And by the way, as I was saying that I have moved from Bengali to English, and this is my very first vlog in English. So I'm sure we'll have many new viewers in this channel. So for them, a quick introduction one more time. I am Plabita. I'm a Bengali from West Bengal, and he's my husband Orko. So we are staying in Bangalore and we are IT professionals, and vlogging is our passion. So yeah, that's a short
Vlogging
introduction.
and driving
Yep.
and going around,
Moving around, wandering around is our
go to
passion.
new places.
Yeah, discover new places. That's what we love to do, and you'll mostly find content around such topics in our channel, and I hope you will really like it.
Pieces all that halfway, heart of mine is a rolling stone, make me roll right home. Halfway hard, send a little love, I'll make it back.
This place has many restaurants lined up, so you will really have great options if you wish to have your lunch somewhere. And Anandpura is 4 kilometers from this point. It is 2 p.m. now, and we have stopped to have some lunch. So here is our homemade sandwiches, and let us enjoy that.
Yeah, and beside the highways there are, after few kilometers you will get some resting place, so you have to just detour and stop, and you can have your snacks and everything.
Yes, you can rest there for a while. You can get refreshed.
Every few kilometers it is there, so
Yes.
it's not a problem. It's
Yeah.
a good system also.
Right.
Very tasty.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you.
We had a really fulfilling lunch, and we enjoyed every bite of it. And for lunch, we had those homemade sandwiches, as I was showing you, followed by a fruit. We had one orange after the sandwich, and we are really full. And we have resumed our journey again. We have another 5 hours, 24 minutes left. Kilometers still to be covered is 329 kilometers. And the sandwiches tasted yum. Do try out the recipe and let me know in the comments how you feel about it.
In this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us.
We took a very short break at this petrol pump. We needed a fuel refill and I used the washroom as well. I took a washroom break and now we are all set and resuming the journey again.
'Cause we only want what's best.
It is 3:45 now and we just crossed Kurnool. Another 219 kilometers for Hyderabad. We just crossed our 5th toll plaza for the day. So as per Google, the total estimated toll charges from Bangalore to Hyderabad through National Highway 44 is approximately 950 rupees. And in all the toll plaza gates, I see this warning that for non-FASTag users, penalty will be charged exactly the toll fare. So please get your FASTag changed if you haven't done it already before you go for your next road trip. It is 5 in the evening and we are just 110 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and Google Map shows it will take us approximately 2 hours 15 minutes to reach our destination. As I was saying, we are in Telangana now, and even in Telangana the road conditions are extremely good. The quality of the road is really top notch. Beautiful scenic views all around. We have a good number of petrol pumps at regular intervals throughout this highway, National Highway 44. And after every toll plaza, I see toilet booths also present. So during a long travel, if we wish to rest a while or freshen up for a bit, that arrangement is also there. So I really liked this superb highway management, which makes trips and road trips for us travel lovers so easy and enjoyable. Okay, it is 6 o'clock in the evening and the sun is just about to set right behind me. I hope you can see. Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it? Right. So still we are on National Highway 44 and in another 4 kilometers we are about to exit National Highway 44 and enter the Nehru Outer Ring Road. Hyderabad is just 35 kilometers away from this point. Our today's destination is Lingampalli in Hyderabad. Our friends are put up there and we have planned upcoming few days to stay with them and have a lovely time with them. And next week we are going to fly to Thailand from Hyderabad itself. So back-to-back travel vlogs are going to come up on my channel and I hope you will really like them. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also let me know if you are liking our today's journey vlog, our road trip vlog, and also my very first vlog in English. And we exit National Highway 44 at this point and enter Nehru Outer Ring Road towards left.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
We are just about to enter the most popular place in Hyderabad, the high-tech city. I'm sure most of you would already know. It is so beautiful. The beauty is really worth watching. So I am I'm not going to show my face or speak anymore on the camera. So here is the majestic view of Hyderabad's high-tech city for you.
For you.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars, shouldn't they enlighten my ears?
So it is 6:45 by my watch now, and we are at Gachibowli Road and just 4 kilometers away from our destination, Lingampalli. So that was all about our today's road trip vlog, our road trip from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And I will see you all very soon in yet another exciting vlog. And until next time, take care and bye.